Hey folks, this is Cliff with CB Electric, and today I had a customer ask me for a cheaper alternative for a smoke alarm. Typically, electricians will charge anywhere between $30 to $100 an hour to install a smoke alarm. But this customer didn't want to pay that, so I had to think of something. If you go to your local Walmart, and in the snack section, you'll come across the cheaper version, great value, extra buttery popcorn. So that's what I did. I installed these bags all around my customer's house. I want them to be safe. So if you hear that thing start popping in the middle of the night, it's time to get out of your house. Call an electrician that cares. On a serious note, don't do this. I've been seeing a trend of this on TikTok and YouTube. Popcorn burns at 355 degrees. Pretty much your whole house will burn down before this starts popping. And the only thing this will help you with is give you a snack in the afterlife. So go buy a smoke alarm.